about to show you. I hope you're ready to see. This world, as complicated as it is not what you think. What you see looks peaceful. Well, look again, and you'll see it through my eyes. What I'm about to reveal is what I learned from your father. This world as you know it is in danger. Every 50 years, the planes of the multiverse merges, opening a doorway for our Condoleezza's shadow warriors. Are we out of sleep? You.
Why so much light? And for that matter, who are you and where have you taken me? We're living in a world of pain, a world of death, a world where the innocent are constantly targeted. This is a world where darkness constantly clouds our better judgment. Oh, the brother, yeah. What are you for? I'm for change.